Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link QuickBooks to a bank account. First, open QuickBooks and locate the Banking tab on the left navigation panel. Click on it to access the banking center. Next, you will see an option to Add Account. Select this to begin the connection process. Search for your specific bank or credit union from the provided list. Once found, you will securely enter your online banking username and password to authorize the connection. After entering your credentials, you will be prompted to authorize QuickBooks to access your financial data. This is a secure process that allows your transactions to sync. Then, you will select which specific bank accounts you wish to link, such as checking, savings, or credit card accounts. Review your selections carefully before confirming. QuickBooks will then begin downloading your recent transactions, typically the last 90 days, to get you started. Once connected, navigate to the For Review tab in your banking section. Here, you will see all your downloaded transactions awaiting categorization. For each transaction, you will assign it to the appropriate income or expense account. QuickBooks often suggests categories based on past entries, which can save you time. You can also add important details like the vendor or customer, ensuring accurate financial records. Regularly reconciling your bank accounts in QuickBooks is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records and catching any discrepancies. This practice ensures your QuickBooks balances match your actual bank statements. Consistent categorization and review will provide you with valuable insights into your business's financial health. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals. Keeping your finances organized helps you make informed decisions and plan for future growth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.